Yes, I got disconnected. I got disconnected. Okay, again, good morning. Welcome to Ashok IT. And I'm Sheetal Patil. Just I'm sharing my screen. I'm giving my introduction over there. I'm writing some key points which are helpful for your understanding. Means in Java full stack development, what we are going to deliver. Okay. So just my name is Sheetal Patil and I'm a developer as well as I'm used to deliver trainings in corporates also like HCL, Capgemini, Amdocs, those companies also as a freelance trainer. And I'm having total 8+ years of experience. I'm having total 8+ years of experience. Okay. Now, our course name Java Full Stack Development. What is our course name? Java Full Stack Development. Okay. Now, first of all, I would like to give the introduction ki who can join the course. Means what is the criteria? What is the eligibility? Who can join this course? Eligibility. Yes. What is the eligibility or criteria to join this course? So criteria or eligibility. So anyone can join this course. For this course prerequisite, nothing. If you don't have any knowledge about any programming language, C, C++, if you don't know, no problem. If you are from technical background, if you are from non-technical background, no problem. Again, if you are from, suppose someone is from testing or some people, those who are some students who joined who joined this session, if you are working somewhere like in the backend or any technical support anywhere or in testing, if you want to join this course, yes, you can join. If any student he is from BA, BCom, always welcome. He also can join the course. Means anyone without any technical knowledge, they can join this course. Because in this course, we have structured this course in that way, there is no prerequisites. Without any technical knowledge, without any knowledge of any language, you can become a Java full stack developer. Yes, are you getting? So what is the course prerequisite? Nothing. Anyone can join this course. Okay. So nothing. Anyone can join. No technical knowledge. Nothing. Not required. Nothing is required. Nothing. Okay. Without any technical knowledge, without any programming knowledge, you can join the course. Okay. Eligibility criteria. No, just see when you want to become a developer, just when you enter in any company, just suppose mostly they will ask for the graduate person. Either he is from BA, BCom, any graduate they can join any graduate if he completed these certified courses, they can join any company as a software developer. Okay, but you will see ki ma'am, what you are covering in this course, right? So any non-technical person can become also Java developer. How? So I'm giving you the overview of this course content, what we are providing here. See, this is clear. Who can join course? Anyone. Without any technical knowledge, if you don't know any programming language, if you don't know C language, if you don't know C++ means you are new to this programming language. Still you can join. Anyone can join this course. Correct? Now, what is the course content? What we are providing in this course content? Okay. So in the course content, this course we have divided into the 4 parts. We divided into the 4 parts. Which are these 4 parts? I will explain one by one. Actual course is divided into the 4 parts. Okay. Why we are considering each and every level, right? If any person he has some knowledge, he has some basic knowledge, but he want to become expert, then for that person or particular student, what he can join? Okay, which part he should run or which part he can learn. So means our complete course content we divided into the 4 modules. First is Java module. First is Java module. So in this module, in the first module, what we are covering? In the first module, what we are covering? First is core Java. Second is advanced Java, right? What we are covering in the core Java module? Core Java, including advanced Java. In the advanced Java, what you are going to learn? JSP, Servlet, JDBC, right? Then data structure and algorithm. See, if you join any company, they will ask you only the core Java or any programming language is not sufficient. They will ask you for the, do you know data structure also? So what is data structure? Why it is required? That also means, see, now in the first session, very first session, I'm giving you the just the module information. Anyway, we are going in the depth. Anyway, we are going to in the depth. See, again, those who are joined newly, I think when I started, there are only 9 participants. Now 14 participants. Make sure you are joining this community link. Link is given in the chat box. Yes, guys, please join the community link. Okay, so come back. So in the Java module, what we are covering? Core Java, advanced Java, data structure, and whatever you are learning, that based upon that you need to create one project. I will help you to create a project. I means we are going to create a project, because what our course is completely practical oriented. Our course is completely practical oriented. We are not only we are not just giving the key, yes, this is the core Java, this is the class, this is the public, this is the syntax, just write this code in this way. No, we are mainly focusing on the how to build your logic, how to develop your logic, correct? How to, if a student he don't have any programming language, he don't have knowledge about a programming language, still he should become a perfect or good Java developer. Why? Our course is completely based upon the practicals, hands-ons, assignments. Why? Because programming language is not a one-day game, right? Programming language, it's the programming, any programming language, it requires practice, 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 right? So it's not a theoretical part, it's a practical oriented. That's why we are focusing on the practicals. Okay. And next, after the completion of core and advanced, once you completed data structure also, we are going to create a project, right? Means whatever you learned throughout the core advanced, right? Based upon that, we are going to cover the mini project. Okay. Then second module, see, I'm going to revise this module again. Don't worry. If I'm going fast, you can interrupt me. If you are any, I will give after explaining all the modules, I will give some 10 minutes of time to you. You can ask me the questions. No problem. Next module is web module. Web module. So in the web module, what we are covering? In the web module, we are covering HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap. Again, what you learn, based upon that all this technology, we need to create a project. Again, mini project. See, for every model we are focusing on projects. Every model. After completing each and every module, we need to write a project. Okay. Now, in the web development module, what we are learning? HTML. After HTML, you are going to learn CSS, then JavaScript. Then what? Bootstrap. Then based upon this, all these 3 technology, we are going to create a project, right? Then next is what? Database. See, right now in the first session, you may feel, what is this Java module? What is the Java? I'm completely new to this. I don't know what is core Java, what is advanced Java. I don't know what is the stable CSS. Don't worry. This is your first session, right? Just you are during this 6 month of course, you are going to heard this word thousands of times, right? If you heard any concept thousands of time, if you heard any name thousands of time, you get familiar with that. This is your first session, so you may be worried about what is this HTML, what is this CSS, what are these technologies. But those who are having some technical knowledge, they may understand. But if you are not able to understand, again I'm saying, don't worry, don't worry. We are going to learn it in detail. Okay. So just try to understand the course content, how our course we are running, right? So next is what? Databases. Databases. So in the databases, what we are covering? Oracle database. Oracle. In the Oracle, we are covering SQL as well as PLSQL. SQL as well as PLSQL. Okay. What we are covering? SQL as well as PLSQL. Okay. After that, so what is database? Why it is required? Why Oracle? Why not MySQL? Don't worry about that. Okay. We are going to learn it in detail. In the databases, we are going to learn SQL, PLSQL. Now, last part, frameworks. Frameworks. Now, in the framework part, we are going to teach you 20 plus industry tools. 20 plus tools which are used in the industry, right? And you will go here, we are going to cover Spring and Spring Boot, Spring Spring Boot and microservices. Spring Boot and microservices, right? So here, what we are going to teach 20 plus tools, Spring Boot microservices, then Java real-time project. See, what if you observe here, we are focusing on the projects because there are some students, you may learn the programming languages in college. See, we are considering all the students, they are from different backgrounds, right? We are considering them, they are some students from BA background, some people from testing background, some people from any other BA or means they are from any other domain. Means that combine. We cannot, this is not a college, right? This is an institute. So here we are considering all levels of student, right? With they are some student, they are having zero knowledge. Some student, they are having 20% knowledge. Some student, they are having 50% knowledge. Some student, they are new to this technology. So based upon all these criteria, based upon this, all these participants, we develop, we created, we structured this course content, right? The student who have the knowledge, right, after completing this mini project in the core Java, advanced Java, in the web module, you are going to create another project. In the then you are going to learn the databases. After completing all these concepts, we are going to work on the real-time project, right? Real-time project. So due to this, what will happen? Whatever the 20 plus tools, the 20 plus tools, they are actually used in the industry. Okay, those tools, they are used in the industry while developing a project. So if a fresher, he knows the like Docker, Kubernetes, Kafka, right, Grafana, there are different tools. Gradle, Maven, the different tools. When you are mentioning it in your resume will get high weightage, right? In front of HR, if there are hundreds of thousands of resume are there, and if any resume it contains different content from 999 students, then on that, among that, your resume will be get selected. Why? Because this technology, these tools, what are these tools which are used in the industry while developing an actual project. With these tools and with the Spring Boot microservices, which are very essential while developing a project, and as well as you are working on the real-time project too. The right real-time project too. So after completing all this, and another is what Angular is also there. Angular framework. See, right now, you again I'm saying here, right now there is a possibility you are not getting these names. There is a possibility you are not able to understand these names. No worries, don't worry. We are going to learn it in detail. Just try to understand which point, what content we are providing to you, and why this content, why this course is different from others, why Ashok IT is different from others. Okay. So in the last module, we are covering all frameworks, right? So here we are covering Angular also and some AWS basics. So what is AWS? Don't worry about anything. So this is the course content. Here in what we are covering in the Java module, first module, core, advanced, data structure, and based upon the all these three, what you covered, will develop on mini project. In the web module, what we are covering, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, again mini project, and database. After completing this three module, we are going for the fourth module. We are going for the fourth module. And in the fourth module, learn we will learn some advanced, right? Advanced concept, which are very useful while working in the industry, which are very important. Okay. See, now there's some student, maybe you may have knowledge while watching the YouTube videos, right? See, nowadays there is a lot of material available on the YouTube, Google, everywhere. But when you are going with the structured, when you are going with the proper notes, with the proper trainer, then you are getting a proper knowledge, right? We are providing this module by modules. We are providing this different modules to you. Okay. Now you can ask him, ma'am, what's the course duration? What's the course duration? So what total course duration? 9 months. But what we are considering is spending 9 months on this course. It's very much difficult, right? Maybe some student, they are freshers, they just get passed out from the college and they want a job within a 6 month. So what we are trying, rather than providing this course in the 9 months, we are trying to complete it within the 6 month. We are trying to complete it within 6 months. Then how? How to complete within the 6 months? In the Java module, this first module will teach this module for 3 months. Course duration is this 3 months, right? 3 months. Again, web module, it is for web module, you can say 45 days, mostly 1.5, right? 45 days, or you can consider, okay, 2 days, oh, sorry, 2 months, okay? Second module, this web module, it requires suppose 2 months, and database, it requires 1 month, right? Database, it requires 1 month. And after completing all modules, we are completing this fourth framework module in the next 3 months. In the next 3 months. See, total 3 months. First, Java module 3 months, web module 2 months, database 1 month, and framework 3 months. Now, based upon that, if you calculate, it's what? Total 9 months. Total course duration is 9 months. But as we are considering there are some freshers, they want to complete the course within the 6 months, it is possible. How? What we are doing, every day, will ask you to attend 2 batches. Every day, a student, he need to attend 2 batches. Every day, 2 batches or 2 modules. How? See, this Java module, web module, database, they are not dependent. They are independent modules. A person, if he don't know Java module, still he can learn web module. If a person, he don't know web module, Java module, still he can learn database, right? So Java module is independent, web module is independent, database is independent. But what is this Java module? Why it is used? That we'll see tomorrow. But right now, just try to understand. There is no prerequisite. Java module you can learn separately. While attending the Java module, you can attend the web module also. You can learn web module also. And while attending web module, you can attend the database also. Means these are 3 modules, they are not dependent. All these 3 modules, they are independent. So say every student, every day, he need to attend 2 batch. He need to attend 2 batch. They first, suppose in the morning, we are having Java batch. Maybe in the evening, you are having web module, right? So in this way, this 3 months purely we are spending on the Java, and the timing for the Java batch is same, 8:30. Timing is same, 8:30. Okay. So once your enrollment is completed, once you done enrollment, you will get the timing about the web module and database. Because this batch in the maybe in the evening or in the morning, right? So see, once, make sure you have joined that community link. Once you join that, see, you will get the update over there. Don't worry about that. Whatever the batches we are planning, we'll sending the details on the every group. Okay. Then once we complete it, this is the timing for Java batch. Again, simultaneously, either we'll start web module or database. Depend upon that, and as per your time flexibility. Another is what? Every student, he need to attend 2 batches, but again, as per your availability, as per your flexibility, as per student flexibility. Suppose you in the morning, we planned this, just assume we in the 10 a.m. we have planned web module batch, but there are some students, they are working, they are not able to join this batch. They are not able to join this batch. No problem. You can, if any batch which is started in the evening, you can join that batch. No worries. Batch flexibility is there. Batch flexibility. If in the morning you are not able to attend, you can attend in the evening. But make sure you are attending 2 batches. 2 batches. Why? We want to complete in the 6 month. And suppose there are some students, they are working. They can say, ma'am, no, I'm going this way only. First 3 months, I will complete Java module. Then next 2 months, I will complete web module. Then I will go for database. That is up to you. But for the freshers, what we recommend, ki daily, as you are a fresher and you are purely spending your time on the batches, so every day you attended 2 batches, right? And whatever the we are covering in the class, you need to perform the practicals. Don't say ki this is the online session and we are not tracking your practicals. See, after enrollment, after completing the demo session, what we are going to do, we will create your WhatsApp group. In that WhatsApp group, what we'll do, in the WhatsApp group, those who are enrolled student, you can connect me at any time while practicing. If you face any problem, any difficulty, then you can ask me in the WhatsApp group. This is what only for the doubt clearing. Okay. And how every day you need to spend at least 1.5 hours for the practicals. And every day I will check. I will ask you to share your Eclipse, and whatever the assignment I'm giving you, you need to make it a zip folder and you need to send it in the WhatsApp. So we'll come to know whether the student they are performing practicals or not. Okay, because the Java language is a practical oriented. Any programming language, you need to do practice. You need to perform practicals. Okay. Now we'll create the up to this it's clear. I hope every day you need to attend the batch two batches. It's again up to the student flexibility. Student flexibility. Now, then WhatsApp group you will create for your doubt clearing after while practicing. Suppose after completing the session, you are practicing and you are getting stuck somewhere. Then whom you will ask the question. So don't worry about that. Whatever where you are getting stuck, you can send the screenshot in the WhatsApp group. Will help you. Don't worry about that. So you need to do practice also. Okay. Now next is what? After this, we are having weekly exams. Why? Why weekly exams? Because I'm asking you to do the practice. You are attending the sessions regularly. You are doing practice, but we need to track your performance. That's why we are having weekly exams. We are having weekly exam. Every Saturday we are having exam. Whatever portion we covered during that week, you will have one practical plus MCQ. Why? Why MCQ and practical? MCQ questions, a student is able to solve that MCQ question only his concepts are clear in MCQ questions, right? Your concept should be clear, then only you will be able to solve that MCQ questions and some practicals also. Will need to practical exam, right? You need to attend the practical exam. So this is why we are conducting this weekly exam for your, yes, for your performance tracking, just to track your performance. It's used for the performance tracking. Okay. So weekly exam and WhatsApp group for clearing your doubts. After this, after completing our course, suppose 6 months, you successfully completed your Java module, web module, database, framework, everything. Then we are having resume building session. Resume building. Resume building. See, whatever you learned during this session, Java module, web module, database, framework, you need to present it in a proper manner. See, everyone, there are some students, they are having they are technically very strong, but they are not able to present themselves, right? In the market, it's very much important presentation skill. Whatever you are having, you must be able to present it in proper way. So presentation skill is very important. So whatever technology you have studied here, whatever the technology you learn here, that must be represented in your resume in a proper way, right? Right? That's why we are having this resume building session. Okay. Now, one more and important, very much important point. While learning every module, we are discussing interview questions. See, smart work is always better than the hard work, right? Interview questions. Why interview questions? See, which topic is important, on which topic you should focus, which topic is, see, mostly while learning any new concept, it's my personal opinion, when you are learning any language, when you are learning any concept, just go in the depth, try to understand all the concepts. Okay, try to understand all the concepts. Again, at the same time, which concepts are very important, you must know which concepts are very important. When you are in 10th standard, 12th standard, you are focusing as per the questions. Important question, very important question, which are frequently asked in the board examination. Same. And don't consider, this is again, you consider this 6 month you are preparing for the UPSC. You consider, see, it's not like only UPSC student or MPSC student, they should spend their 24 hours on the studying only. No. You people also, just consider you are preparing for the UPSC in that way. UPSC, nothing but you are our programming, Java programming, and prepare in that way. So after 6 months, you should get a good job with good package. So that's why we are focusing on the interview questions also, means which type of questions will be asked. Now, how you need to, how you are going to deliver the answer, right? The interview questions, I will give you the all the interview questions, plus I will ask you in the session also how to answer the question. Okay, whatever the question they ask, how to answer that question. After, okay, this is what during the class. This is what during the class. But after completing this course, we are having mock interviews also. What is mock interview? What is mock interview? In the mock interview, will take your practice. Yes, I'm your interviewer. You are a you applied for the interview. Then what question they will ask? This is the question. What is Java? Right? How many? What are the features of Java? What is the object-oriented programming language? So whatever the question they will ask, will check your confidence. How you are answering the question? Are you able to answer the question? Are you able to speak in the what is your how's like your communication skill? We are going to check everything. Means mock interview. You need to check again. See, we are conducting your mock interviews also, right? We are conducting mock interviews also, and important. Every student is concerned about the placement. Everyone is concerned about the placement. So we are providing 100% of placement assistance. See, if you visit our website, you can see there many students they got placed with a good package, right? Many students they got good placed with good package. So we are trying at our best that our student they should get job. And why? Because once you join the Ashok IT, and whatever the course content, whatever the model is structured, we are trying to develop the cream students, right? And once completing all these module, once completing 6 months of course, wherever you go, right? Either you join, either you go for off campus also, then you people are able to clear the interview. We are taking that much care of, right? So here, just what we need from your side, we are having only one commitment, that is your sincere effort. I'm saying sincere efforts. Why sincere efforts, right? So you don't say yes, and we are providing recorded sessions also. Again, important point, recorded sessions. You will get recorded session. If you miss any session, if you miss any session, you will get the recorded session. You are having 1 year access to it. You are having 1 year access to these recorded sessions, right? 1 year access. So why I'm saying sincere efforts? See, as I saying ki, we are providing recorded session. You can say ki, bam, I am not able to attend the regular class. What I'll do, I will sit on a Saturday, any Sunday, and I will complete all the recorded sessions, all the sessions that you covered during the week. What will happen in that case? See, Sunday will come, you are having your friend, they will call you, yes, we are planning for the trekking, we are planning for picnic. Are you coming with us? Then what will happen? Again, your recorded session, you are not able to complete and you are go with your friends. That the thing happens. And recorded sessions, if they get saturated, what will happen? You get like afraid, I need to complete 10 records, I need to complete 10 sessions, I need to complete 12 sessions. So better I recommended ki join the live sessions only, right? If any very emergency is there, emergency case, only go for the recorded session. Anyway, we are providing a 1 year access, but it's my opinion ki go with the live sessions only, because in the live session, if you are having any question, any doubt, you can ask immediately to me. See, our sessions will be interactive. I'm having personal attention towards every student, right? So you can ask any question in the class. If you are asking any question 100 of time, no problem. Our motto is each and every student, he should get the complete knowledge. If you are joining this course, you get the complete knowledge. Right? Don't worry about the questions. Don't worry about any problems. If you have any silly questions also, you can ask. Don't worry. Because if you are zero, it's our responsibility to make you hero, right? So like zero to hero, we are planning to provide this course, right? So this is the complete course model. This is the complete course model. So you can ask, ma'am, what is the fee structure? What is the fee structure? So actually, we are planning. See, this is the fee structure here. Fee structure. See, if you are taking basic package is what? In the basic, what we are providing three modules. We are providing three modules. Which modules? Java module first, Java module, then your web module, Java module, then web module, and database. And database. If you are purchasing it, it's 18K. Its fee is 18K. Okay, fees is 18K. Okay, and if you want basic package with basic package basic package with frameworks, basic package with frameworks, so its fee is 18 like its fee is 35K, right? What we are covering here, what we are covering again, same Java module, Java modules, then web modules, then database, okay, and framework, module 4 for all those 35K. Okay, for the basic is what? In the basic module, what you are going to learn? Java, web module, database. Java, web module, and database. Fee is 18K. If you want to join basic module or basic package framework, the Java module, web module, database, and framework fees will be 35K. Okay, so this is what course, this is what course structure, and this is what your fee structure. And every day we are having 1.5 hour class. Every day, what the timing? Timing, if you ask for the timing, so timing every session, our class timing or session timing. Here, 1.5 hour. Okay. And one more thing, see, you may ask, right, ma'am, can if I want to join only Java module, see, if you can enroll for Java module also separately, yeah, means, but if you want this complete course content is for Java full stack developer. This complete course content is for Java full stack developer. This is what complete package. Again, if any student he wants to join only Java module, no problem, you can join. If you want to enroll for only web module, you can enroll. Those who are only interested in database, you can join. Or any student he want to learn only framework, that is also fine. Right? So these are the different modules, and these are the different and for the module wise fee structure, our admin, see, as per your requirement, admin will give you the guidance. But for the what I say, you can go with the basic module or this framework package. Okay, so this is the our course content, and these are the some services that we are providing. Okay, and see, you can check our YouTube channel also. You can check YouTube channel also. There are different useful videos are uploaded. You can take it, or you can join that, or you can watch that, and you can like and subscribe to that channel also. Okay, so here what we are trying, we are trying to provide you the 100% of knowledge, right, with smart work and practical oriented. I want to show you something. See, this is the previous batch. These are the notes that I have prepared for the previous batch student. See, these are the notes that I am going to provide you. So don't worry about the notes. Once you enroll, you will get the you will get the notes. You will get all the notes. We are uploading it on the portal. On the portal, you will get all these notes. All right. See, can you see? Can you see? Yes. This is the how to write on. See, why I have written this in the very much. I'm explaining here. If you see, I'm explaining symbols also. Why? Because we are considering there are some students, they are from the non-technical background, right? So for those also, we are providing this. In this way, I'm going to teach you, right? In a very basic manner, very basic. Those who are new, they can blindly join, and those who are somewhat they are having knowledge, then they can do the extra practice also. Here, can you see? These are the different, these are the notes that I am going to provide for every session. For every session, you will get these notes that we are uploading on the portal, right? Can you see? After completing every topic, See, this is the one topic. Just try to understand. This is the topic name. This is the topic name. Polymorphism. Suppose this is the topic, and for this topic, these are the notes. And which kind of question they will ask? If that question asked in the interview, how you need to answer that question? See, can you see here? So this is what interview question. For this interview question, you need to give the answer in this manner. This is the way you should answer. You need to explain this point. All right. After completing this, whatever the important points, yes, these are the important points that you need to remember compulsory. These are the important points. You need to remember it compulsory. Right. So I'm highlighting it. So interview question. What are the interview questions? What question? Which type of question they will ask in the interview? Okay. Now, can you see here assignment? After completing every topic, you need to execute. You need to complete these assignments. Assignment question. Right. So this is the way. These are the notes that I am providing you. And if you observe, this is the Eclipse which is used for executing the programs. Why I am showing you this course, and here I am providing you the practical oriented session. These are the practical oriented session. See, can you see these many programs? Once you join, you need to in your computer at least thousands of programs should be there. 1000 programs should be there in your system. If you practice 1000 of programs, then you can easily clear any interview. You can easily clear any interview. See, these are the questions. These are these many programs that I executed in the class. These are the programs that I executed in the class. Not from, see, these executed by me. If these are the 500 programs, then you again 500 programs you need to execute in your home. Same program as well as practice questions. Yes, can you see? So this is what I'm saying ki my session is completely practical oriented. We are not focusing on the theory only. Just I'm going to solve these many questions in the class, as well as you need to execute these many programs at home also. Okay. So this is the total course overview. You will get here. I will add this point. You will get the uploaded notes here. Just a minute. Here, recorded session, study material. You'll get study material, right? This is for Java only. Same for HTML, CSS, SQL. For each and every topic, you will get the notes. See, for SQL also. After completing SQL, again practice set. You need to practice these questions. So this is what these are the practice questions for database. This is what practice question for SQL, right? Database means you need to execute, you need to solve these many queries, correct? Here, what we are doing ki we are focusing on the students' practice, right? And don't worry about the study material. You will get all material, interview questions, logical programming. Yes, I will show you one more logical programming. Yes, logical programming. Can you see here? Control flow statement. These many programs you need to solve. Can you see at 25, almost 25 programs? Yes, we need to solve these many programs also. Correct? So you need to solve all these programs also. Okay. So what I'm saying ki, attending the session, learning and again practicing. It's very important that we are providing here. Okay. Any question, any doubt you can ask. Yes, students, if you have any question, any doubt, see, make sure you are joining the community link. Community link is given in the chat box. Make sure you are joining that link. Yes, student, if you have any question, you can ask. Any problem, any doubt regarding any module. So this is our introductory session, right? So you can ask any question. You can clarify your doubt right now. Yes.
Hi, madam.
Hi.
My name is Kaliraj. What about Spring Boot framework? Will you teach Spring Boot framework?
So very good question. Here, see, first three modules will be taught by me. I'm going to teach you the first three models, right? The Java model, web model, and database. And last module, it's conducted by the Ashok sir, right? He is also having 10 plus years of experience, right? And he's working, he's also a developer as well as a trainer. So this fourth module is conducted by the Ashok sir. The first three modules conducted by me. Okay.
Okay.
This is by Sheetal ma'am. And same, this is also, see, and again, it's up to you. Continuously batches are going on. As per your time availability, you can join. And here, see, what we are doing here, what we are doing, we are completing first three modules. First three module will complete in first 3 months. How? Morning one batch, evening in one batch. In that way, we are completing these three modules in 3 months. Correct? And after all, combining all these modules, Java module, web module, database, combining all, we are completing this another last 3 months, we are focusing on the frameworks. Why? Because while learning this framework, you are going to work on the real-time project. Some test cases will be given by the Ashok sir. Some task will be given by him. You need to complete it. And whatever the framework, see, this spring for the Spring Boot real-time project, it require Java knowledge, right? And for the front end, you need web module. You need to learn this Angular. You need web models. Means this framework module is completely dependent upon these three. So first of all, you need to complete this three modules in 3 months, and last 3 months purely you are working with the frameworks only. Are you getting how we are splitting this 6 months? First three months, you need to join 2 batches daily, right? And after last 3 months, you need to join only last module, framework module, because it's very important as well as advanced, and you need more practice, and it is based upon these three modules. That's why we are focusing on the three modules first. Once you get perfect, then you can go for the last module. Yes. Any other question?
Hello, ma'am.
Ah.
I wanted to ask that if we complete only Java module, web module, and database, so are we eligible to say that we have completed Java full stack development?
Yes, you can say. But thing is that in the company, now they are asking for the frameworks also. Compulsory. They are asking at least a student, he must know two frameworks, at least. Right? So frameworks, what? Advanced part. And like what you can see, if you are having basic knowledge, that is okay. But some applications, they require the advanced topic, right? So that's why frameworks are important. That's why we included in our course structure. Because for the full stack developer, they are asking ki Java model, web model, that is okay. But in the interview, they will ask, compulsory they will ask, do you know any framework? Compulsory, that question will be there. And if you are having a knowledge about the framework, that will be high weightage for that will create high weightage for your resume. That is your plus point. You know this framework part. Yes, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, also web module schedule will be at 10 a.m. and 7 p.m. both, or only evening?
No, I have given it as an example. Timing can be different. This just for an example I have given. Batch can be start in the morning or in the evening, or timing can be different. Maybe it can start in the early in the morning, 6:30. See, whatever the time, you will get the update in the group. Whatever the new batch, suppose at 9 a.m. web module is this batch is started, so you will get the update. And suppose at that time you are not able to join that batch, you can wait for the another next batch. When next batch will come, you can join. Continuously, we are launching the batches. So as per your time availability, you can join any batch. And timing, this timing is not fixed. Timing can be different. Just I have given the
So
example.
in whole day we can join in any batch. Like in now we have college in morning, so evening only we are free. So in evening we can complete ours.
Yes. You can, no problem. It's up to you. We are not going to restrict to the student, because as we know, okay, some student they are having colleges, some are having offices. So we are not providing any time restriction. You can join as per your flexibility. You can check. Whenever we start the batch, you will get update in the group. So you can check, yes, are you available at that time? If yes, then you can join. But
Okay, ma'am.
mostly our batches we are planning evening and before 10 only, because after 10, mostly after 10 or students, some students they are having college, some goes for the offices. So we are planning before the office works, and likely in the evening or early in the morning only, before 9 or before 10. So batch timing is flexible. You can join as per your availability. Is any other question? Is anyone?
Ma'am, in framework part, you have mentioned 20 plus tools, right? What all are the tools? Can you please give some high level overview?
Okay, for that, mostly right now I'm not able to write all the tools, but here like your Docker is there, right? Kubernetes is there, and Maven, then Jira, right? Then Gradle, again Sonar Cube, and like there are complete 20 plus tools. Not able to write all those tools, but that is for sure. For sure, you are getting the you are working on the real-time project, and whatever the tools used in the industry, you are going to use those tools here also.
Okay, got it, madam. Like Git,
Kafka, GitHub, right? Git and Kafka. Then are you getting
yes, madam. Yes.
Grafana,
Got
Prometheus,
it.
Postman.
Okay,
Right? So these kind of tools you are going to use under a real-time project.
got it, madam. Thank you.
For more
Hi,
information,
ma'am.
you can yes.
Hi, ma'am. Good morning.
Good
Pratik Patel
morning.
this
Good
side.
morning. Yes.
Yeah. Actually, my query is that about new batch. Which is batch available in the January?
Which batch? My batch
Like
or
full stack. Yeah,
any
full stack
faculty?
batch. Sorry, ma'am.
Any faculty or by me only? Which you are asking?
Yeah, I mean, any faculty I can adjust to it, but
Okay. Yes,
the
yes,
full
yes.
stack batch is available in the January or not?
Yes, yes. Continuously we are having batches. Don't worry about that. You'll get batch in the
And the
January.
second question is about, ma'am, placement assistant. Can you just tell me about that in bit?
In the placement assistance,
Yeah.
after completing your course now, will provide you the calls, right? And we are preparing for the interviews also, and whatever the material we are providing, based upon that, you need to clear that interview. We will provide you the calls, right? So you need to clear that calls. Like in the campus, what happens in the campus also, you need to when you are attending any campus interview, right? What your colleges do, they will ask companies, they invite their companies in their colleges, and then you need to attend that interview. You need to clear the interview. Same way, we used to arrange the campus drive for you people also, and in Ashok IT. And when the company arrives, you need to clear the interview. You need to attend the interview, and you need to clear that interview. Because some students, what they think, when we say placement assistance, this is the real factor. Some students, what they do, when we say placement assistance, they consider they joined our institute. That means they will get the 100% of job. 100% in the sense, no need to prepare for interview, whether they are speaking in the interview or not. Still, they will get the job. How it is possible, right? You need to clear interview. We are providing the calls. We are arranging the interviews. We are arranging or we are inviting companies up towards you. Then it's your responsibility to clear the interview, right? And
Yeah,
mostly,
ma'am.
so mostly those students, those who are working in the company, they are referring our students also. Don't worry about that.
Hello.
And the ma'am, companies that you are connecting with are only from the Hyderabad or all over the India?
All over India, not from Hyderabad.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Huh.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you. Yes.
I have a doubt. The password playing any role in here for getting the job as a software developer?
Come again.
Because
Uh-huh.
passed out,
Uh-huh.
graduation passed out. because I passed out in 2014.
No problem. No problem. You can join as a fresher, no? After completing this course, you can join as a fresher. And see, when you are working, then it needs work experience and all, right? Anyway, once you complete this framework part, na, you can put at least 2 years of experience also, right? You can put that much experience because you are getting that much knowledge. But as we are saying, you are passed out from 2014. So still you can join as a fresher, no problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Anyone else?
Ma'am, just for confirmation, it is not mandatory to continue in the 2 batches, right? I can continue with the one only
No,
for the 9
It's
months.
not. See, it's not mandatory. If you are working, then you can go for the 9 months of duration, right?
Yeah. Yes.
If any student is fresher, he can join 2 batches. So he will complete the course within the 6 months, and he is free for the interviews.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
why.
Got it. Yeah.
So
Thank
you
you.
are having both flexibility. Yes. 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 Anyone else? If you
Ma'am,
are.
also in this Java module, web module, and database list pack,
Mhm.
we'll get interview questions, that package also.
Yes. Interview questions every see every after completing each and every topic I am discussing it at the same there only. If you completed first topic, yes, interview questions for the first topic and same day. You'll get all the interview questions in the basic package. No worries. You'll get.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, any other student? Anyone else?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm Manish. Evening at what time is the office will be?
The
Because I'm
evening.
working, so my office will come at 6:30,
Okay.
9 to 6:30. So,
96.
and also you didn't mention, yeah, 9 to 6:30.
So evening right now means I don't know any batch is running or not, but have you joined
Okay.
the community link? And one more,
What, ma'am?
I have sent the community link in the chat box, and I think admin also sent. You can join that. You'll get the update. But whenever new batch is started, now they used to send messages in all the groups in the community.
Okay.
Used to send
And
messages.
that group, in which group we need to join? You
In
send a one link in chat.
yeah, the link which is given in the chat box.
Inside that many groups are there.
Just you
On
can
which
join this community. Join the community over there.
community? Okay. Okay.
Mhm.
And also you didn't mention in framework React course. Could you tell that React
No,
also
in
or only
the
Angular?
Angular, in the framework for web model, we are covering Angular. And if you want to join for the React is also given. React is also there, but mostly in the package we are
Oh,
covering Angular, not React.
okay.
Hmm.
Yeah,
So
Ma'am,
thank you.
who is going to be a trainer for the January batch?
that is not fixed again. There are so many
Okay.
trainers, na? So depends you whose batch is going to complete. And anyway, in the January also one batch is I'm going to start one batch also in the January, but that will be in the evening 5:30.
Ma'am, are you available in January?
Yes, available, but in the at 5:30 evening batch, not morning batch. In
Okay, ma'am.
January,
No, okay.
uh,
Yeah.
January we are planning for one batch that will be in the evening. Yes, Riya, any question? Aniket, any question, any doubt?
Ma'am,
In
which
January, when are you
batch?
starting, ma'am?
Date is not fixed actually. Maybe in first week. Maybe in
Okay.
first.
Hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, is there any batch available before 8:30 a.m.? Because you said 1.5 hours, right? For
Yes.
me, office also starting from 9:30. So is there any batch available before 8:30 a.m.?
No, before that, no batch. See, 8:30 you can join. Your batch office timing is 9:30. It's it
9:30.
work from home or office? You need to go.
Office of
Okay. So anyway, what you can do, you can join the course 8:30 to 9:30. You can join after the 9:30. Actually what I do, last 15 minutes I used to revise the concepts, right?
Okay.
And again, next day, whatever we covered in the previous day, first 15 minutes, I used to give the revision again, what we covered in the last class. Yes, we covered this point, and this program, right? And then 1 hour purely teaching. And after last 15 minutes, again revision, what we covered in the today's session. Likewise. So you can join the course, no problem. Timing, I don't think so. Okay, timing will be issue for you.
Okay.
Because before that, due to the winter, and maybe suppose if there is any batch, have you joined this link? You can join that community. If
Yes.
before that, if any batch is there, you'll get the update there. But I don't think so. The timing, office timing will be affected. Or anyway, if you're having while practicing, if you have any question, any doubt, you can ask me. No problem. I will solve.
Okay.
During what you missed 9:30 to 10 or 9:30 to 9:45 during that 15 to 20 minutes. If you any concept you missed, I will repeat it again. No problem.
Okay.
Yes, anyone, any question? Bhushan Kumar, Rahul, yes, Kaliraj, Imran. Any doubt in the web module, in the Java module, right? Course content, do you have any doubt or criteria? Again, I am revising. Just I'm sharing my screen.
In advanced Java concept, which all are the topic we are going to learn, madam?
In advanced Java, we are going to cover Servlet and JSP. Servlet, JSP, JDBC here, right?
Okay, madam. Okay.
Servlet, JSP, JDBC. That we are going to cover in the advanced. Okay. So I'm repeating it again. If anyone who want to join the course, there is no prerequisite. Anyone can join. There is no eligibility criteria. Our course is divided into the 4 parts, right? Java module, web module, database, and framework. First 3 modules you need to cover in the first 3 months. Last 3 months we are spending on the frameworks, purely working on the projects, the tools, and all, right? And if you those who want to complete the course within the 6 months, you need to attend the 2 batches every day. Timing, it's your choice, right? Again, whatever the time, as per your time flexibility, you can join the batch. And you are getting if you missed any session, you'll get the recorded session. Again, completing the batch, at the end of the day, whenever you get time, you can go through the recordings also. Yes. And you'll get the placement assistance also. You'll get study material over the portal. After enrollment, we'll create the WhatsApp group for your doubt clearing. Okay. And we are having weekly exams. And for the basic module, fee structure is 18K will be fee. And if you want complete package with the framework, fees will be 35. Okay. Any doubt? Any question? Any problem? And our session will be purely interactive session. Okay. Practical oriented, interactive sessions will be there. Okay. No questions, no doubts. Everything is good. Okay. I hope you understood the first session, very first session, and I have not taught any single technical concept in the first session. Just I have given you the introduction, what we are providing. Okay. Tomorrow we'll see what is language, what is programming language, what is Java, what is meaning of full stack developer, everything. We'll go step by step, right? We'll go step by step. Okay. Shall we stop then? Tomorrow we'll connect again.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo, bye.
Yeah, bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Chalo, bye.